किशोरवयीन भुरग्यांच्या मनावयलो ताण आणि तांच्या मनातली वैचारिक आंदोलनां जाणा जावन घेवप कठीण। नवी पिळगी खेळामाळार कमी आणि फोनाचेर उलोवपाक चड वेळ दितात। देखून तांकां योगा आणि व्यायामाचे महत्व पटोवन दिवपाक जाय। भुरग्यांची भलायकी बळिश्ट उरपाक जाय। डॉक्टर गीता काकोडकरान सांगला। भलायकी सेवा संचालनालयान, राज्य कुटुंब कल्याण ब्युरो, शिक्षण संचालनालयान आणि राज्य शिक्षण मंडळाच्या सहकार्यान शैक्षणिक संशोधन आणि प्रशिक्षण निरोगीपण कार्यावळ 11 जानेवारीक पणजेच्या इन्स्टिट्यूट मिनेजिस ब्रगांजा हॉलात जाली।
Nutritional problems. You know presently that children are going towards a fast food culture. All those which has no nutrients. It is all carbohydrates, sugars, and this makes for if you start young eating this kind of food, then it will lead to several diseases which we were seeing in older age and now we are seeing in the younger people. So we need to give them information about what is good for them and inculcate good eating habits, good exercise habits. Now a child is glued to the computer or to the phone, and the playing part of a child's life is very less now. So we need to see that they exercise, they know the importance of yoga. So the teachers have been trained in 11 modules such as this. Also about substance abuse, how to deal with other adolescent issues, peer pressure, and so many other issues which are common among the adolescents. We need to see that we have healthy children.
They have to take care of their health by spending some time nurturing their body and keeping good habits. So all these aspects are covered in 11 modules. It is not merely something about the particular disease, and no, it is a holistic way of looking at health.
The teachers were to be called as the health and wellness ambassadors. So they those two teachers who were asked to be nominated from the schools. So the government of India thought that they can be addressed as the health and wellness ambassador, because they will carry the health and wellness message and impart to the student, and through the student it will reach to the message.
So now at Daman we are starting this program. This is one thing. For this we need cooperation from the teachers, we need cooperation from the parents, students, and हेंचे मदीं जागृताय करतली जाल्यार आमकां we definitely need cooperation from the media.
हो प्रोग्राम अवेअरनेस क्रिएट करपाक आमी स्कुलांनी एज्युकेशन डिपार्टमेंट आनी हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंटान मेळून आमी खुबशे गोश्टी करता, पूण ताजो अवेअरनेस प्रॉपरली जायना, आनी ह्या खातीर आमी तुमचे कडेन आयिल्ले आसा, आनी तुमी तो अवेअरनेस करपाक आमकां डेफिनेटली हेल्प करतले अशी हांव आशा बाळगिता।
गोवा 365 खातीर पणजेच्यान विलियम रॉड्रिगीस।